In this video, I will show you how to use Magic Edit on Canva. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on canva.com. Now to access the Magic Edit feature, what you're going to want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click here where it says Magic Studio. So from here, you're going to want to scroll down and you can see a ton of features under this, like Magic Write, for example, and Magic Design. But what you want to do is just keep scrolling down and you're going to see the Magic Edit option here. So if you go ahead and give this a click, it's going to bring up a pop-up window. Then all you want to do is press the purple Try Magic Edit button. So this is basically just an example of how this works. So as you can see, we've got a picture here of a handbag. Now how this works is basically what you do is you brush over the area. So you've got this brush here and you can change the size of the brush over here on the left hand side. What you want to do is basically brush over your image. So we're going to go ahead and just brush over. So we're covering this handbag. Once that's done, go ahead and let go of the left mouse button. And what you're going to want to do is come to the left hand side and press the purple continue button. Now what you need to do is describe what to add or change. So what this basically does, it changes or adds things to the image. So what we're going to do is follow the example here. So it says write fluffy faux fur in the box under describe your edit. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and type that into the box here. So fluffy faux fur. And what we're then going to do is come down to the bottom and press the purple generate button. So after a minute or two, this is going to go ahead and start generating our images. And as you can see, what it's done, it's basically added this fluffy faux fur effect to the handbag. So what it basically does, it changes the image. You can add details to the image and things like that. It's a really, really cool little feature. And you can see it's also generated some alternative designs over here on the left-hand side. So once you're happy with your edits, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and press done. And here is our completed design. So that is how to use Magic Edit on Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.